Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Raja Mipowo. I'm from 1003. About number 25. Here I will explain about 5R and 5S. Here I will explain how to use 5S and 5R at school. Typically, 5S is used at the beginning and end of workshop activity. Smile, greeting, and buying, quality and photos likewise. When we return from the workshop, we smile and greet with polite and photos behavior. 5R is also used while we are the workshop. First, we typically leave for the workshop early to organize the tools we will use and duplicate the machine we will use because we need to maintain time after the activity. We tidy up and summarize the day material. We clean the workshop after the school bell rings. That's all from me. If there are any wrong word, please forgive me.